Hello YouTube. In today's video I'm just going to be creating a very basic network connection, and without wasting any time, let's just get to it. So we're going to start by picking out our router. Let's just use this one, and then next we're going to go to switch. Let's just use this one, and then we're going to go to our end devices. Then we're gonna use a laptop and a PC. Cool. So we're gonna go to our connections. We're gonna pick up copper straight through a cable. Then we're just gonna connect first Ethernet, connect to the switch, first Ethernet. Let's pick that again. First Ethernet, and then now let's connect to the router. First Ethernet, this one. Cool. Now as you can see, the cables are connected, but there's no connection, so there's no internet or any traffic. So now we're going to configure. So what I did was I just click the device and I go to CLI, and then now it's going to prompt this, just say no, and then just enter and click NE for enable. It's going to go to that. You can just also do config or just conf t. It's configure terminal, and then from there on we're gonna enter interface, and you can just say int and then write the interface name. This one here is gonna be this here, so we do that and just go enter. After enter, now we're gonna give it an IP address. Let's give that an IP address. That's 678. Okay, so this is our network IP, right? So we're gonna do let's just do 10.1. There are no rules because this is our own network in our mind. We're just creating a network from our minds. So we're gonna do a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, enter, and then we gave it an IP address, and we're gonna do no shutdown. The no shutdown makes sure that this remains on and it keeps running, and then it's gonna do that. It's done. Okay, now if you look at it, now everything is green, meaning there's internet going through. But if we do a test now with this message box here, we say from the router to the PC, it says no functional ports. Okay, let's take from PC to laptop, no functional ports. The reason why it's saying this is because it is not configured. Let's configure the PC first. Now we're gonna go to the PC desktop, IP configurations. We're gonna give this one an IP address because it's on this network. We're just gonna give it let's give it 11, or we can give it 10, but it's fine. Let's just give it 11. Subnet mask automatically gives it, and then we're gonna give it a gateway. Now our gateway is gonna be that router IP address. Cool. And it is configured. And then now let's go to the laptop and also do the same. Go to this. Let's give it an IP. Let's give it those 12, and then that, and then the gateway is still the same. Cool. And then these are configured. Now let's do the message again. It should work now. As you can see here at the bottom right, successful. The message is successful. So there's not much we need to do to the switch, because the switch at this point, it just acts as an extender for these two devices to access the router. That's what it does. So if we're adding a phone or any other things, there was going to be some configurations we're going to have to do on the switch, but we're not going to be complicating. So that is basically our simple network, and there should be a video after this one. Well, if there's no video, just stay subscribed and I'll drop another video adding more to this one actually. Anyway, thank you, bye.